Breast milk contains all the necessary nutrients, vitamins, and antibodies that a baby needs to grow and thrive. It's like nature's superfood. But here's the most shocking breastfeeding fact you may have never heard before. Brace yourselves. Did you know that the composition of breast milk changes throughout the day? It's true. That's right. The nutritional content of breast milk varies, depending on the time of day. During the morning hours, breast milk is high in energy-rich fats, perfect for giving your little one a boost of energy to start their day. As the day goes on, the breast milk gradually transitions to a cooler, thinner consistency, providing the baby with hydration. But wait, there's more. The composition of breast milk can also change based on the baby's needs. A mother's body has the amazing ability to produce milk that adapts to her baby's specific requirements. If the baby is fighting an illness, the mother's body will produce breast milk with increased antibodies to help fight off the infection. Isn't that mind-blowing? It just goes to show how incredible our bodies are and how breastfeeding is a personal, tailor-made experience for each baby. So, the next time you see a mother breastfeeding her baby, remember that her milk is not only nourishing, but also a dynamic source of amazing benefits for her little one. Thanks for watching this unbelievable breastfeeding fact.